Hello everybody, today we work on the histogram. So a histogram is a type of the bar graph, okay? And the bar will represent the frequency numeric data within the interval. So we're gonna create a interval and frequency table and then graph them. So Kim has started grading each movie she sees using the scale from 1 to 10 on an online site. Here are the ratings so far. So she have watched 15 movies and she rate them from the scale 1 to 10. We're gonna make a histogram and then you're gonna tell me what shape of the distribution about the rating, okay? Usually they're gonna give you the interval and the frequency table, but in this case, I have to create one. Okay, so I'm going to create a box. So in the box, I will have the interval and I would have the frequency, which is how many times that number being repeated. It's called frequency. Okay, we can find the interval right here. 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 8, and 9 to 10. Write it down. 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 8, 9 to 10. We're going to see how many times it being repeat. Okay, 1 to 2, we have just one number. 3 to 4 is 3. We have two number. 5 to 6, 1, 2, 3. That's it, 3. 7 to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them. 9 to 10, we have 2. Wait, I think I missed 1. 7 right here, so this is not 6, it's supposed to be 7. All right, to make sure we get it correct, so when I count this one, I see 15. So this one should add up to be 15 as well. So let's check. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 7 is 13, add 2, 15. So we good. So 1 to 2, the frequency is 1. 3 to 4 is 2. 5 to 6 is up to 3. 7 to 8 is 7 of them. 9 to 10 is only 2. Okay, so after you see your histogram, it looks like a bar. However, there is no space in between, and there's an interval that make it different from the bar graph. You see that? It's very close to one another. So what shape is this? Skew left. Very good. Remember how we do how do we do the shape on dot plot? We think it's the same way. Ski to the left. All right, next one. Edie count the number of seats available in a cafe in his town. Complete the frequency table and the histogram. Okay, 1. The interval I break by 1 to 7, 8 to 14, 15 to 21, 22 to 28. So 1 to 7, I have 2 number. 8 to 14, I have 2 number. 15 to 21, 15 to 21, have 16, 18 is 2, 3, 4, 4. 22 to 28, 2 number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it should be 10 number. Let's check on this one. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8, 10. So we good. 1 to 7, I have 2 number. 8 to 14, I have another 2. 15 to 21, I have 4. And 22 to 28, I have 2. All right. So what does that look like to you if I talk about the shape? Do you think it's skew or you think it's symmetrical? I think it looks symmetrical, right? Okay, next one. A museum park employee record the age of people who ride the new roller coaster during 15-minute period. So we have some age of the riders. It's ranking from, I would say the youngest is 12 years old. And the older people that ride the roller coaster is 56 years old. So we're going to create the interval. So the first one I want you to do from 10 to 19. So I need to keep going with my interval. So I would have 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and the oldest person is 56, so I have to have 50 to 59. Okay, let's find out the frequency. 10 to 19. So I'm gonna cross out if they are 10 to 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 of them. Okay, 20 to 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 30 to 39. 1, 2, 3. 40 to 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50 to 59. 50 and 56 is only 2 number. Okay, now this one, the horizontal will be the interval. And the vertical or the y-axis is the frequency. Okay, the x-axis is the interval. So let's break it out. This will be, you can zoom it bigger and so you can write better. 10 to 19. 20 to 29. 30 to 39. 40 to 49. And of course, 50 to 59. All right? Okay. 10 to 19, I have 9. Oh, and I have to break the frequency too. So you see the lowest number is 2, the highest is 9. So I need to have that. So I would call this one is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 9. So 10 to 19, I have 9, which is the people like you guys that like to ride roller coaster. 20 to 29, 7 of them. 30 to 39, there are 3 of them. 40 to 49, 4 of them. And 50 to 59 is 2 of them. Okay, what do you see about the shape of the distribution? They skew to the right.